You woke up upright, but your body feels anything but aligned. Your joints are stiff, your breath shallow, and it's like your energy hasn't caught up to the day. Let's hit the mat. When your lower body feels heavy and stuck, this move invites movement back in. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Bend down and grab your toes or ankles, then lower into a deep squat. From there, straighten your legs as much as you can, lifting your hips, then return to the squat. Keep the motion slow and fluid. I promise this move is how you unlock full body energy from the ground up. If grabbing your toes feels tight, just reach for your shins or knees. We're just getting started. Next one opens you up even more. Now that your legs are awake, let's dive deeper into the hips. Tension in the hips and ankles can quietly steal your power. This resets it. Sink into a deep squat with your feet slightly wider than hips. Bring your elbows to the inside of your knees and gently press outward. Keep your chest lifted, spine tall, and breathe into that tightness. I promise this move is how you unlock mobility where your body needs it most. If balance is tough, place a block or stack of books under your heels. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Let's bring some freedom into your entire pelvic area with a little movement. When your day feels rigid, circular movement can restore flow and rhythm. Stand tall with your feet planted and hands on your sides. Slowly rotate your hips in a full circular motion, forward, side, back, and around. Then reverse the direction after 30 seconds. I promise this move is how you unlock fluidity and reconnect to your center. The smaller the circle, the gentler the stretch. Size it to your comfort. Here's a surprising fact. Just 1 minute of this can reduce hip tension and improve posture. Now that your hips are moving, let's release what's held in your neck. Your neck often bears the burden of mental load. This helps you let go. Stand tall, drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold briefly, then switch sides. Move slowly with care. Avoid shrugging your shoulders, let them melt down. I promise this move is how you unlock ease where you carry weight of being strong. To deepen, gently press your opposite hand toward the floor. Hold for 5 more seconds. Soften your face as you breathe. Let's finish by freeing the part of your body that holds tension every time you type, scroll, or carry something. Tension doesn't just show up in your shoulders, it hides in your hands too. Extend your right arm in front of you, palm facing up. With your left hand, gently pull your fingers down and back, hold. Switch to palm facing down. Then repeat on the left side after 30 seconds. I promise this move is how you unlock upper body freedom and restore control. You can do this seated if balance is a challenge. Just stay grounded. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. You've come this far. Stay with me for the final breath.